Fine. So is my screen visible to all of you? Go with a yes on audio.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Fine. So today's topic will be having the boot camp on SEO and digital marketing. These are the very two different things. Do not mess and mix with them. Okay, so don't say that digital marketing and SEO are the same thing. They are very two different stuff. And for that, we'll be using two basic tools and even more one. So one is Google Analytics and one is Google Tag Manager. And why they are both from Google? Because whatever we do with our websites optimization, irrespective of we do some sort of work on Yahoo or Bing or so, but our major target is Google because the major audience go for the Google search rather than a Yahoo search or a Bing search. So major of the audience goes to Google, so that's why our preference is to target Google and the strategies remain the same. Just the tool will change, you can do the same thing for Yahoo, and the tool will change, you can do the same thing for Bing. So if you can optimize yourself at one place, you can definitely optimize yourself at another. And it is as simple like if you can prepare yourself for a 100-meter race, if you are going well and well and well, so some or the other way you are also preparing yourself or going better with 400-meter race. So exactly this way, basically if you optimize our stuff for Google, we can some or the other way directly or indirectly optimizing the things for Yahoo and Bing as well. So we particularly will be focusing on one particular search engine, and that is Google, the biggest audience where it lies. Okay, so before I dive into the topic and my agenda for the day, I have few questions again with the same framework, and I'll be going to answer them. And meanwhile, answering them, I'll put some more things into the context and make these answers rich enough so that they'll solve a lot much of doubts right there in your mind. So the very first thing is, what is digital marketing? Now, so these questions you'll find like n number of people have n number of definition. And what will be my answers? They'll be completely based on my opinion and my experience with the stuff. So what I perceived as digital marketing is that anything you have in the form of service or in the form of product like you are selling some t-shirt, shirt, you are selling some goggle, you are selling some motor, you are selling some book, or anything, everything like this is a product. Your laptop is a product, whereas services include the services of Urban Clap. Okay, so grooming services, the services by e-learning, right? We are going on the services by Ola, the services by Uber. So Ola and Uber is not selling you any product; they are selling you the service. So you have something to be sold, which is a service or a product. Now what you are doing is you are marketing that and you are reaching to the audience with that the concept with the aura of internet, right? That this particular concept is known as digital marketing. And in this digital marketing, we'll talk about a lot many ways of reaching into people. Some are very common and some are not so common. Now what sort of ways they will be, what will be required, what will not be required, what to do, what not to do, this that will be the context of this 4 hours. But for now, we need to consider that digital marketing is something wherein we put the expansion of a company or expansion of the sales with the help of digital channels, and that digital channel lies all the way from WhatsApp to TV ads to Facebook ads and to many other things. So digital marketing is not just Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, it is way beyond that. And it has been done since a long. If you are aware of radio, so the advertisement put on radio is also a part of digital marketing. It doesn't involve even internet. It involves a very different ball game of communication, the radio communication, radio wave communication. So within that, even radio also provides advertisement. That is also a part of digital marketing. It's not limited to Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn, and so. How it is different than SEO? Okay. So there is one thing which is known as digital marketing, and there is one thing known as SEO. We do both the things to get the sales simply, or to promote our brand, or to get the audience, or the sale means one or the other thing for different companies. For Facebook, sales means number of audience, number of users. For Ola, sales means number of rides. They are not concerned with number of users. Facebook is concerned with number of users. For another thing like Amazon, again it means number of products sold. So sales means a different stuff. Now, digital marketing is something when we channelize our advertisement, when we channelize our info through different platforms available on the internet or offside internet, wherein we are using some electronic methods to convey our message from the business to consumer or business to another business. So particularly talking about this boot camp, so this boot camp is not for coders. Do not come onto this boot camp with a coding mind. Try to think of that you are a startup owner, and being a startup owner, what strategies you need to do to let your startup be aware with people, that people are knowing your startup, that yes, do exist, you are doing something, you are not doing something, and so one way is you go to people and tell them, okay, hi my friend, I'm doing this, hi my neighbor, I'm doing this, and this way. Another way is that those people, so that hi my friend strategy is available to do with Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Reddit, and various other stuff. Like, okay, you have your visiting card, that is physical marketing, and if you go for an online channel, a WhatsApp promotional stuff, or a website, and that is digital marketing. SEO, search engine optimization, is a very different ballgame. So now you are not going to people and saying that, hi Harsh, I suppose my friend came to me and saying, okay, hi Harsh, I have a new saloon open in my area, and these are the pricing, and this is my menu, and this is my business card, and so on. The ballgame lies that I search for salon near me, and that way if I'm getting a result of any particular company, and that company is coming up because there would be 100 or more salon in that particular area, and now which particular company is coming up on the page could be decided with SEO. Okay, so what we are doing is we are telling Google that, okay, Mr. Google, do one thing, just promote my website, and for this we need not to pay any money to Google. Okay, and neither Google accept any money. So they have a channel of Google ads where they demand money and put your result on the advertisement part, not on the organic part. So SEO is more of an organic stuff. That, okay, I'll show you the results of SEO. Suppose I'll go for restaurant in Rajouri. Okay, let's suppose. So there would be 100 of restaurants right here. You can see that there is this. So all the dots are one or the other restaurant. Okay, now if I'll go to the website part, now you can find there is a Zomato listing, there is Easy Diner listing, then there is a Dine Out listing, then there is an LBB listing, then there is some crazy masalafood.com listing. Now, what I want to signify is that neither of them, neither Zomato nor Easy Diner nor Dine Out itself is a restaurant. Zomato is a service platform, Easy Diner is a service platform, Dine Out is a service platform. None of them is actually a restaurant itself. Whereas if I go for any search, like I'm looking out for a product, so I'll go for water motor providers in Maharashtra. Okay. Now there would be 100 of water motor provider, or not just 100, thousands of water motor providers. But again, I am getting what is India Mart, Maharashtra Trade Directory. No, sorry, Maharashtra Directory. Then Shakti Bumps is the first product website I am getting. Now before that, whatever I am getting is the result of SEO. What they have done is they have listed the Google. How would Google get to know that India Mart is selling something, or just providing a kind of platform for the users to search? Obviously, India Mart is just a platform. India Mart is not a product selling company. If you are not aware of this, I can show you that there is a list of all the motor providers and their product and their price and mobile number. So this is like some Maxine, and there is some Bhairavnath, and so on. So these are the names basically.